Good afternoon, students. Today we will study about zoophily. Zoo means animals, feline means to love. That is, the pollination through animals is known as zoophily, and the various animals which are used as pollinators are insects, birds, bats, snails, primates like monkeys, apes, lemurs, arboreals. Arboreals are those animals which spend their life on trees. Rodents. Rodents are the largest group of mammals like kangaroo mouse, kangaroo rat, etc. Reptiles like garden lizard, gecko lizards, etc. Fine. And among all these pollinators or the animals, insects are the most common. So in this lecture we will study about the pollination through insects, and we will do all these things in the later videos. Okay. So the pollination through insects is called as entomophily. Entomon means insects, feline means to love. So the transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma through the agency of insects is known as entomophily, and these are the insects used as pollinators like bees, wasps, moths, butterflies, beetles, etc. And among all these insects, bees are the most common pollinator, means bees do the pollination in 80% of the flowers. Fine. Now let's study what are the features of entomophilous flowers, or what strategy or the what features have the flowers so that they can attract the insects. Fine. First one is the flowers are colored. Why they are colored? So that they can attract the insects for pollination. For example, moth always visit whitish flowers. Fine. And butterflies always visit reddish flowers. Bees always visits yellow, purple or blue colored flower. Fine. So that is why flowers are colored to attract the insects. Secondly, what they do for attracting the insects? The flowers are large. They are large means they are conspicuous. The insect can easily notice the flower. Okay. In some cases, if the flowers are small, then a large number of the flowers are clustered into an inflorescence to make them conspicuous. अगर फ्लावर लार्ज है तो ऑब्वियसली उसे दिखाई देगा, लेकिन अगर फ्लावर स्मॉल होगा तो इंसेक्ट को दिखाई ही नहीं देगा, और दिखाई ही नहीं देगा तो वो पॉलिनेशन करेगा कैसे? तो उस केस में क्या होगा? अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ द फ्लावर्स ये ग्रुप बना लेंगे इकट्ठा. ठीक है. उससे क्या होगा? इंसेक्ट को वो जो फ्लावर्स होंगे वो विजिबल होंगे, वो कॉन्स्पिक्यस होंगे उसे, और फिर वो आएगा पॉलिनेशन के लिए. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज द नेक्टर ग्लैंड्स. फ्लावर्स आर हैविंग nectar glands. These nectar glands secrete nectar. Fine. And the position of nectar glands is such that the insect must touch the anther as well as the stigma. Fine. Next is flowers produce smell or the odor to attract the insects, and that odor may be pleasant or foul. For example, the flowers of jasmine, they produce pleasant odor to attract the insects. However, the flowers of rafflesia secrete a foul odor or the smell to attract the insects. Fine. Next is the sticky pollen grains. The pollen grains are sticky due to the presence of pollen kit. Now, what is pollen kit? We know that the outermost layer of pollen grains is known as what? Exine, and in insect pollinated flowers this exine is surrounded by a yellowish oily covering. That yellowish oily covering is called as the pollen kit. Fine. This pollen kit is made up of lipids and carotenoids. Fine. Now, why pollen grains are sticky? See, suppose this is a flower, red colored flower, and this is butterfly. So, butterfly will attract it towards the red color flower. ये बटरफ्लाई क्यों आएगी यहाँ पर? सबसे पहले तो कलर देखकर, और क्या चाहिए, दोनों का काम एक्चुअली होगा। फ्लावर को क्या चाहिए कि पॉलिनेशन हो जाए, इन्हें क्या चाहिए, इनसे नेक्टर चाहिए। फाइन। सो ये क्या करेंगे, ये इंसेक्ट, ये बटरफ्लाई इस फ्लावर के पास आएगा। फाइन। सो यहाँ पे जो पोलन ग्रेन्स हैं वो क्या हैं, स्टिकी हैं। ये तो नेक्टर के लिए आएगा और पोलन ग्रेन को खाने के लिए भी आएगा। फाइन। वो पोलन ग्रेन्स इसकी बैक पर यहाँ पर स्टिक हो जाएंगे, बिकॉज पोलन ग्रेन्स आर स्टिकी इन नेचर, तो ये चिपक जाएंगे यहाँ पर। फाइन। फिर जब यहाँ से ये बटरफ्लाई किसी दूसरे फ्लावर पर पहुंचेगी, अनदर फ्लावर, तब क्या होगा, ये जो पोलन ग्रेन्स इसके बैक पर चिपक गए थे ये दूसरे फ्लावर पर डस्ट कर देगा। एज द रिजल्ट पॉलिनेशन हो जाएगी। फाइन। सो दैट्स व्हाई पोलन ग्रेन्स आर स्टिकी एंड the stigma is also sticky. Stigma is sticky due to the presence of mucilage covering, and I told you that mucilage is a gluish substance secreted from plants as well as the microorganisms like protista. Fine. Now what do you mean by floral rewards? Means to sustain the animal's visit, ताकि एनिमल विजिट करे, फ्लावर उसे कुछ देगा, और वो क्या है जो हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, नेक्टर और पोलन ग्रेन्स। एंड इन सम केसेस इंसेक्ट प्रोवाइड अ फ्लावर्स प्रोवाइड अ सेफ प्लेस टू द इंसेक्ट्स फॉर एग लेइंग। फाइन। फॉर एग्जांपल मोथ एंड यूका, both of these cannot complete their life cycle without each other. The flowers of yucca will provide a safe place to the moth for egg laying, और बदले में योका का काम कौन सा हो जाएगा, पॉलिनेशन का। मोथ अपने एग डिपॉजिट करने के लिए आएगा फ्लावर्स ऑफ योका के पास, जब यहाँ से जाएगा किसी दूसरे फ्लावर पर तो क्या होगा, पोलन ग्रेन्स चिपक जाएंगे मोथ के बैक पर और वो दूसरे फ्लावर्स पर उसे रब कर देगा। फाइन। सो दीज आर द फ्लोरल रिवॉर्ड्स, नेक्टर, पोलन ग्रेन्स एंड द सेफ प्लेस फॉर एग लेइंग। Now there is a term that is the pollen or nectar robbers. Robbery का मतलब होता है चोरी करना basically. There are some insects which consume pollen or the nectar, but they don't bring the pollination. Those are known as the pollen or the nectar robbers. Means they will consume the nectar or pollen, but they will not bring pollination. Fine. So this was all about entomophily. Let's revise. Zoophily is the pollination through animals. All these animals are used as pollinators. The most common pollinator is insects. Pollination through insects is called as entomophily. These are the insects used as pollination. Among these bees, they do pollination in 80% of the flowering plants. Features are flowers are colored to attract the insects, large in size. If they are small, then a number of the flowers are clustered into an inflorescence. Flowers contain some nectar glands. Nectar glands produce the nectar, and nectar is a reward for the insect. Fine. Then to attract the insects, flower produce odor which may be pleasant, which may be foul. Fine. Pollen grains are sticky due to the presence of pollen kit. Stigma is also sticky due to the mucilage covering. Floral rewards are nectar and pollen grains, or sometimes the safe place for egg laying. And pollen, nectar or robbers are which will not bring the pollination, but they will consume the pollen or the nectar. Fine.